loving how much Scarlett's enjoying working in the garage with me. I'd just rebuilt gearbox in this bike, and she came in, and so we needed to separate the crankcases again to put the gasket sealant between the two crankcases. So she just went to the toolbox, got the crankcase separator out, put it all together, and pulled the crankcases apart. And then once I put the gasket sealant on, the engine needed pressing together. Got to press over the crank, and got to use like a plate with a hole in it that's big enough to take the crank, and then needed a bit of extra space, so a bearing. So she was really proud of herself because she carried the engine over to the press because it was quite heavy, and she pressed it all together nicely herself, and happy days.